Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to cover about some basic data types in Python and different operators in Python. So let's move into our video. The first comes the basic data types in Python. So these four are the basic data types used in Python: integer, floating point numbers, string, and boolean. These four data types are common in all the programming languages such as C, C++, Java, etc. So these are the basic data types in Python. Next, type various different types of operators in Python. There are around 7 different operators in Python. The arithmetic operators, relational operators, assignment operators, logical operators, and bitwise operators are as same as operators which we see in other languages like C, C++, and Java, etc. The only two operators which gets add on into Python is identity operators and membership operators. We'll explain each and every operators with an example program. So let's move on to arithmetic operators first. So in arithmetic operators, these seven are the basic arithmetic operators in Python, like which we all know: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, exponentiation, floor division, and modulus. These seven are the basic operations in our mathematics. So the arithmetic operator which gets add on into Python is floor division. The difference between the division and floor division is: division, when a number is divided by another number, the result can be either an integer or a decimal point number. But in floor division, when a number is divided by another number, the result will always be an integer, rounded value integer. It will not be an decimal point number. That's the advantage of floor division in Python. The difference between the division and modulus is: division gives us the quotient and modulus gives us the remainder. Let's get more understandable when we are going through our example program. So let's move on to the next operator, comparison operators. These are also called as relational operators. As the name mentions, comparison operators are used to compare two variables in Python, like less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to or not equal to. These six are the basic comparison operators in Python. Next comes the assignment operator: add and subtract and multiply, divide and modulus and exponent and floor division and are the assignment operators in Python. The difference between arithmetic operators and assignment operators is that in arithmetic operators, the values don't get updated dynamically, but in assignment operators, the value gets changed dynamically. So to be more understandable, let's go into an example video and I will explain there the difference between the assignment operators and arithmetic operators, and the difference between the division, floor division, and the difference between division and modulus. So let's move on to a sample program. The remaining operators will be explained in my next video. Okay guys, let's get more familiar with Python operators by going through an example. First, let me check whether the Python is downloaded successfully by executing this command. Print is the statement used to see output in our Python shell. So if you type python.version, sys.version, it will throw the current version which we are using. I'm using Python version 3.7.0. Next, let us check with the sample hello world program in Python to check whether the shell is working properly. Okay, next we go through the operator example. This is the bit of code which I have done. Let's go through the code. First, as I said, the basic operations in our mathematics comes under the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and exponent is nothing but taking the power. For example, in this case, I have set variable a equal to 15 and b equal to 3, and these two are the integer variables. In Python, if you set a equal to 15, by default it takes as a integer. This is the major advantage in Python, which is called as generic type. So if you put as a equal to 15.3, it automatically assumes that the variable a is a float data type. So this is a generic type in Python. let's go into arithmetic operators. I have just printed all the arithmetic operators here through a print statement. In this case, 15 plus 3, the output will be 18. The output will be printed as 18. So the difference between the arithmetic operators and assignment operators is that if you come here, in this case, it acts as a plus equal to b is nothing but a equal to a plus b, which means that already first the a variable will be a will be stored as 15. Next, in assignment operator, in arithmetic operator, a plus b becomes 15 plus 3 equal to 18. In assignment operator, the value of 18 gets updated to the variable a. So now the variable a becomes a equal to 18. That's the major difference between the arithmetic operators and assignment operators. All the arithmetic operators can be used and assigned to a variable. So next comes the comparison operators. The output of the comparison operators will be a Boolean type, which is either true or false, or nothing but 1 and 0. In Python, the output will be shown in the form of true or false. If true, the condition matches. If false, then the condition fails. So let me run this program. Okay, the output came here. In this, I have done the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction. This is just basic calculations in mathematics. The difference between the divide and modulus is that if you divide 15 by 3, the quotient will be 5.0, which is a decimal point. But the floor division, if you see, the output is in rounded value integer. So that's the difference between the division and floor division. Division, the output can be either an integer or a decimal point number, but in a floor division, the output will always be a rounded value integer. And the next difference between the division and the modulus is, if you divide 15 by 3, the quotient will be 5 and the remainder will be 0. So the division throws you the quotient and modulus is used to get the remainder. If you see here, when the 15 is divided by 3, the quotient we get is 5 and the remainder we get is 0. Because 3 divides 15 by 5 times. And the exponent is nothing but a power operator, which means that 15 into 15 into 15 is nothing but 15 double asterisk 3. So let me explain in the program. In this case, the output will be 15 into 15 into 15, which means that 15 power 3. So the output will be 15 cube. That's the use of exponent operator. Next, the comparison operator. The output of all the comparison operators is a true or false Boolean type. So it checks whether it's a kind of condition is just check whether the two variables are greater or lesser than. This will be very useful when we are going into our decision statements like if and else. And the assignment operator, if you see here, as I said, the variable of a gets updated as 18, but in this case, if you see, the output of the variable is just 15. The output of the variable doesn't get updated, but in assignment operator, it's calculated the addition and it assigns the output to the same variable a. So in this case, the output is 18, and if you see, now the variable of a is 18. So 18 minus b. 18 minus b in the sense 18 minus 3, the output is again 15, and the 15 is stored in the variable a. So that's the difference between assignment operator and arithmetic operator. And the remaining operators will be explaining in my next video. Thank you.